Most push-reel mowers are garbage in the rain. Rust, clogs, and frustration guaranteed. In this video, I'm ranking 5 rust-proof push-reel mowers from just okay to actually worth your money. And yes, some popular brands don't survive a single wet season. At number 5, let's start with the Joe MJ501M 18-inch 5-blade push-reel mower, which sits at the bottom of the list for a reason. This is the classic, lightweight, beginner-friendly, I just want to push something without breaking a sweat mower. It costs around $110 to $130, which makes it feel like a steal until you actually mow wet grass. The deck and blades are powder-coated steel, which technically resists rust better than bare steel. But if you leave it out in rain or don't dry it immediately, expect tiny rust spots to start appearing. The cutting performance is okay for small yards. The 5 blades slice grass cleanly if it's damp, but not drenched. Push it across wet patches and you'll feel it slow down, especially if your lawn hasn't been cut in a week or two. The handle is comfortable enough, so pushing isn't exhausting, but it's definitely a mower for light-duty, casual use. Maintenance is simple. Rinse off mud, dry it, and oil the blades if you're feeling fancy. If you live in a constantly wet climate, this mower will get the job done occasionally, but don't expect it to last more than a season or two without showing wear. This is a starter mower, perfect for tiny yards or beginners who don't care about long-term rust resistance. Next up at number 4 is the Tatayosi 16-inch 5-blade push-reel mower with grass catcher, a step up in build and practicality, priced around $120 to $140. Right away, you notice it feels more substantial than the Joe. The steel deck and blades have a corrosion-resistant finish that handles dew, humidity, and occasional drizzle much better than bare metal, though it's still not invincible. The grass catcher is a real game-changer in wet weather. Clippings don't stick under the reel, so you avoid the messy, rust-promoting buildup that plagues cheaper mowers. Cutting damp grass is smoother than the Joe, but if your grass is thick or super wet, you still feel some drag. It won't glide effortlessly through puddles. The handle design is slightly better ergonomically, and pushing is easier thanks to improved wheel tracking. For small to medium yards where you mow often, it's solid. However, if you're mowing large, soggy lawns regularly, this model starts to show its limits. The deck width and mid-level materials just aren't built for long-term abuse. Maintenance after a wet cut is straightforward. Rinse off grass and mud, dry everything thoroughly, and oil the reel to protect the coating. This is a mid-tier mower for people who care about durability, but aren't ready to invest heavily yet. At number 3, we have the Scots 14-inch 5-blade manual reel mower is where things start to feel serious. At roughly $90 to $165, it might surprise you how reliable it is. The deck and heat-treated alloy blades are made to resist corrosion better than the Joe or Tatayosi, so wet season mowing doesn't immediately leave a layer of rust on the frame. Cutting damp grass is smooth. The 5 blades slice cleanly without tearing, leaving your lawn neat rather than mangled. Because it's a narrower 14-inch width, it's nimble around tight spots or landscaping features, which is a bonus in wet conditions where footing can be tricky. Pushing this mower is comfortable, and you don't get the sticky, grinding feeling that you notice with cheaper models on wet or matted grass. It's easy to maintain. Rinse off clippings, dry thoroughly, and a quick oiling keeps the blades sharp and rust-free. This model is best for small yards or those who want a reliable mower that won't demand constant touch-ups after rainy mornings. It ranks 3rd because it's a dependable, wet-weather performer, but the smaller width means more passes on larger yards, which can be tiring over time. At number 2, we're now moving into serious gear with the Scots 20-inch manual walk-behind reel mower with grass catcher, which costs around $240 to $260. This one isn't messing around. It's wider, stronger, and made to handle repeated wet season mowing. The 20-inch cutting path reduces passes, which is a huge advantage on damp lawns where each stroke feels heavier. The corrosion-resistant deck and steel reel are designed to survive moisture, and users report that this model stays looking good even after repeated dew-soaked mornings. Wet grass cuts cleanly, and clippings don't stick under the deck, which dramatically reduces the chance of rust developing. The grass catcher is larger and more efficient than smaller models, and the wheel design makes pushing surprisingly smooth, even on slippery turf. You do pay more, but this mower is for people with medium to large yards who want reliability over economy. Maintenance is standard: rinse, dry, oil occasionally, but the difference is you're not constantly scrubbing rust spots or clumps. This mower feels like a step into real wet season lawn care, something you can actually rely on without constant babysitting. Finally, our top pick, the American Lawn Mower 18-inch 5-blade push reel mower, takes the crown, priced around $165 to $200. This one balances durability, rust resistance, and ease of use better than anything else on the list. The powder-coated steel deck and reinforced blades are built for serious moisture. Morning dew, drizzle, or recently soaked grass won't degrade it like the other models. Wet grass is sliced cleanly with minimal effort. The reel doesn't bog down or leave clumps stuck under the deck. The 18-inch width is perfect, wide enough to cover reasonable ground efficiently, but not so wide that it's heavy or unwieldy. Pushing feels smooth, the handle is sturdy, and even after a full rainy season, the deck shows almost no surface rust. Maintenance is easy: rinse, dry, and oil lightly, and you're done. This mower is for serious homeowners who mow regularly, live in humid or rainy climates, and want a tool that actually survives season after season without looking like it was left out in a swamp. It earns first place because it combines durability, performance, and rust protection in a package that truly holds up in wet conditions. The mower that finally makes all the compromises of cheaper reels feel like a bad joke. So there you have it. Starting from Sun Joe's lightweight beginner model, moving through Tatayosi's mild upgrade, Scots' classic 14-inch reliability, the wider, more robust 20-inch Scots, and finally the American lawn mower that actually delivers on wet season performance. If your yard sees regular rain, skip the cheap toys. Go for one of the last two, and you'll avoid rust, frustration, and wasted money while keeping your lawn looking sharp no matter the weather.